Hi everyone, welcome to a quick Vlogmas Day 8. I am at work, as you can tell. However, I did have time to make one stocking, and here it is. I used a nice soft yellow with kind of a bright pink. With all this snow and cold weather we've been having, I really was feeling kind of spring. I don't know why. So here's the stocking for Day 8. I've got just this very little bit of green and a very small piece of wrapping paper. And our 8th stocking is done. When I get home, I'm going to put it with the rest of them, and it's kind of fun to see how different each stocking is. Same pattern, just different color yarn. Because it's Monday and it's a work day, I really have nothing else besides work going on, which means I need to get started. I did work a little bit on my filet style scarf yesterday. I finished another whole ball of yarn, so I have one more left, and I will show you the progress on that tomorrow. So look forward to seeing that. For now, it's time for me to get to work.